are a family that enjoys hunting. One of our favorite wild meats to harvest is venison or deer. We use the meat to make stew meat, deer bologna, jerky, jerky sticks, and ground burger. The first step with this ham is to remove the gristle. Sometimes a small amount of meat will come off with it. The filmy texture on the meat needs removed. Otherwise, the meat will chew like bubble gum even if it is canned. The next step is to remove the meat from the bone. This is easily completed with a sharp knife. We always freeze our meat until ice crystal appears. This helps cut the meat up for further use. This is the meat from one ham. The ham is then cut into smaller pieces for stew meat. As this is being cut up, more gristle and fat can also be cut off. This is the tenderloin. The tenderloin of a deer is the delicacy of all meat. The loin will be used for supper by slicing thinly, tenderizing, seasoning with pepper, salt, and garlic, and then fried in butter. This is the total amount of venison received from 4 hams and 4 shoulders. This is all cut up for stew meat. We use the stew meat in a number of dishes, from venison stroganoff to chili to just adding the meat to a bowl of beans. This meat is very versatile. The sanitized jars are stuffed, and 1 teaspoon of salt is added to each jar. Hot water can be used to add liquid to the jar, but I have always used bone broth. We use beef or pork broth. This takes the wild taste away without previously soaking the meat. The rim of the jars need wiped. Add a previously simmered lid and tighten the ring. Process in a canner for 90 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.